I came across online chlorine-free sun shock, chemical-free, kills algae and microorganism. It also eco-friendly and definitely saving money. I bought it online, Costco, and as we open the box, we have some instructions booklets, about 8 to 9 pages long. And this spring is already attached to it, so I do not want to disturb it. And let's see what else is in the box. Looks like there's one copper rod, and there's a blue strainer that has copper strips tester inside. There's about 30 test strips that are in that container, and you have 2 plastic wing nuts and the brush, which you are going to need every week to clean this copper rod. It's I think most of the price went into the copper because it's heavy and it's solid copper. It has threads on both end of the rod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the spring down a bit and tighten up the copper rod into the sun shock. Then I'm going to install the blue strainer along with the wing nut. They give you 2 wing nuts, one as spare. It took me about 8 minutes to put the sun shock all together. Once I get the plastic wing nut in, the thread is already made, it goes right in. Not a problem. You want to tighten it all the way. You don't want to over tight because it's plastic, you don't want to strip the threads. Metal, copper, and this plastic is going into the copper. Big chance you might strip it if you tighten it too much. The sun shock is lightweight. I want to dust off everything, all the dust off, and plus you have the solar panel right there in the middle, and there's nothing else to it. This is what the water looks like right now. I'm going to show you a video of the water condition 3 days later. The sun shock is made to maintain 22,000 gallon of water, but my pool is 33,000 gallon. They recommend I get 2, but I only got 1, and I'm using 4 chlorine tablets instead of 8 that I used to use before sun shock. And stop adding chemicals and watch your water chemistry. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.